right, so tonight today we're taking you through Fathoms.
Our own walking.
Oh, this is the own walking ship tour, which happens in like 10 minutes.
We're ahead of them.
Oh.
Let's hurry up.
All right, so once again, this is Fathoms. All right. Fathoms. All right.
Oh, this has got bingo written all over it.
This is bingo.
So this is where Shake It Up, Betty. Bingo.
We're gonna win some money this cruise.
We've never
So
won
we
it.
can go on another cruise.
I hope we win another one. I hope we
You're
win.
Melissa, that's just for you. We will go on that
And this
cruise with
is-
you. And Anna, you going too because we're gonna win, so we can go.
We're
Can I
going to
say
win the
something
jackpot.
else? This is where people meet if you're doing the 5K. This is where they meet to
Actually,
go
this
get
isn't
off
for the
the
5K.
No, I think they do here.
might.
They
Yeah.
always do it here.
Well, this is for big excursions. They meet here.
All right, and they also have a full bar. They have a DJ. Oh, that is a cruise line floss.
A flossing dance off, and you win because you're the only one here.
All
I
right,
think someone's happy to
and
be
that
here.
concludes Fathoms. And they also do comedy shows in here as well. So,
I don't know because I had to say it. That was the
I
bathroom.
said she's in training, and someone goes, I don't know.